Hi, in this video, we'll see how to work on index match formula in Excel. We have a sample data set here with a product and its order ID and price. Now we want to know the price of a specific order ID 33409. And for this, we'll be using the match and index formula. For the match, the arguments within the parentheses are lookup value, lookup array, and match type. So the lookup value for match will be, we are going to look up for the order ID, which is 33409, and the lookup array from where you want to find this lookup value. So we have to select from the order ID and see where this order ID is. And the match type refers to the exact match. So for that, as reference to exact match, we have to take 0. Now, after doing the match formula, it'll when you enter the match formula in the cell, the match will return the position of the order ID where it is located in that array. Now, after that, we'll use the index formula as the outer formula, and you will add the column num argument to know the price value of that order ID or the product. So let's see how this formula is done. So outer formula is index, where you have the array, the row num, and the column num. So if you can observe, the second argument is row num. So where in the row num, we are using the match function to get the row number. So let's do this formula again. Here is equal to index and open parenthesis. Now select the array from where you want the order ID, the price. So we have selected this D9 to D13, and then for the row num we have to enter the match function, and then open parenthesis. The lookup value is order ID, and the lookup array will be the order ID column, and then the match type should be 0. And close the parenthesis, and then enter the column num as 3, because in this entire array, the first column is order ID, second is product, and price. We want the price. The price is on the third column. Press third and press enter. So we got the price of the order ID 33409. So this is how you do an index match formula. Uh, Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video. And if you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel.